Hello students, today we cover the Geography chapter Climate CBSE Class 9. Let us first look at the definition of weather and climate. Climate refers to the sum total of weather conditions and variations over a large area for a long period of time, more than 30 years. Weather refers to the state of the atmosphere over an area at any point of time. Let us now study about the 6 major climatic controls of a place. There are 6 major controls of the climate of any place. They are latitude, altitude, pressure and wind system, distance from the sea, continentality, ocean currents and relief features. Due to the curvature of the Earth, the amount of solar energy received varies according to latitude. As a result, air temperature generally decreases from the equator towards the poles. As one goes from the surface of the Earth to higher altitudes, the atmosphere becomes less dense and temperature decreases. The hills are therefore cooler during summers. The pressure and wind system of any area depend on the latitude and altitude of the place. Thus it influences the temperature and rainfall pattern. The sea exerts a moderating influence on climate. As the distance from the sea increases, its moderating influence decreases and the people experience extreme weather conditions. This condition is known as continentality, i.e., very hot during summers and very cold during winters. Ocean currents along with onshore winds affect the climate of the coastal areas. Now let us take a look at the factors that affect India's climate. Latitude. The Tropic of Cancer passes through the middle of the country from the Rann of Kutch in the west to Mizoram in the east. Almost half of the country, lying south of the Tropic of Cancer, belongs to the tropical area. All the remaining area, north of the tropic, lies in the subtropics. Therefore, India's climate has characteristics of tropical as well as subtropical climates. Altitude. India has mountains to the north, which have an average height of about 6,000 meters. India also has a vast coastal area where the maximum elevation is about 30 meters. The Himalayas prevent the cold winds from Central Asia from entering the subcontinent. It is because of these mountains that this subcontinent experiences comparatively milder winters as compared to Central Asia. Pressure and wind system. India lies in the region of northeasterly winds. These winds originate from the subtropical high-pressure belt of the northern hemisphere. Now let us study about jet streams. These are a narrow belt of high altitude, above 12,000 meters, westerly winds in the troposphere. Their speed varies from about 110 kilometers per hour in summer to about 184 kilometers per hour in winter. A number of separate jet streams have been identified. The most constant are the mid-latitude and the subtropical jet stream. Now let us throw some light on the western cyclonic disturbances. The western cyclonic disturbances are weather phenomena of the winter months brought in by the westerly flow from the Mediterranean region. They usually influence the weather of the north and northwestern regions of India. These disturbances affect the coastal regions of the country. What are the mechanisms involved in the formation of monsoons? The differential heating and cooling of land and water creates low pressure on the landmass of India while the seas around experience comparatively high pressure. The shift of the position of Intertropical Convergence Zone (ITCZ) in summer, over the Ganga Plain. The presence of the high-pressure area, east of Madagascar, approximately at 20 degrees south over the Indian Ocean. The intensity and position of this high-pressure area affects the Indian monsoon. The Tibetan Plateau gets intensely heated during summer, which results in strong vertical air currents and the formation of low pressure. The movement of the westerly jet stream to the north of the Himalayas and the presence of the tropical easterly jet stream over the Indian peninsula during summer. Now let us study about the Lu winds of Rajasthan. A striking feature of the hot weather season is the Lu. These are strong, gusty, hot, dry winds blowing during the day over the north and northwestern India. Direct exposure to these winds may even prove to be fatal. Dust storms are very common during the month of May in northern India. The mango showers of South India. Towards the close of the summer season, pre-monsoon showers are common, especially in Kerala and Karnataka. They help in the early ripening of mangoes. Hence they are referred to as mango showers. Now let us see about the advanced monsoon experienced in India. By early June, the low-pressure condition over the northern plains intensifies. It attracts the trade winds of the southern hemisphere. These southeast trade winds originate over the warm subtropical areas of the southern oceans. They cross the equator and blow in a southwesterly direction, entering the Indian peninsula as the southwest monsoon. As these winds blow over warm oceans, they bring abundant moisture to the subcontinent. The inflow of the southwest monsoon into India brings about a total change in the weather. Let us study a little bit about the retreating monsoons. During October to November, with the apparent movement of the sun towards the south, the monsoon trough or the low-pressure trough over the northern plains becomes weaker. This is gradually replaced by a high-pressure system. The southwest monsoon winds weaken and start withdrawing gradually. By the beginning of October, the monsoon withdraws from the northern plains. Let us now look at the reasons. Parts of western coast and northeastern India receive over about 400 centimeters of rainfall annually. However, it is less than 60 centimeters in western Rajasthan and adjoining parts of Gujarat, Haryana and Punjab. Rainfall is equally low in the interior of the Deccan Plateau, and east of the Sahyadri. Owing to the nature of monsoons, the annual rainfall is highly variable from year to year. Variability is high in the regions of low rainfall such as parts of Rajasthan, Gujarat and the leeward side of the Western Ghats. While areas of high rainfall are liable to be affected by floods, areas of low rainfall are drought-prone. Monsoon is a unifying bond. Himalayas protect the subcontinent from extremely cold winds from Central Asia. This enables northern India to have uniformly higher temperatures when compared to other areas on the same latitudes. The Peninsular Plateau, under the influence of the sea from three sides, has moderate temperatures. The Indian landscape, its animal and plant life, its entire agricultural calendar and the life of the people, including their festivities, revolve around this phenomenon. These monsoon winds bind the whole country by providing water to set the agricultural activities in motion. Thank you. Please make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more videos. We shall once again see you in another video. Bye bye.